Hello, my name is Jason Rogers from BCF Technology, and today I'm going to take you through a really simple to use return on investment calculator for if you're thinking about buying some new X-ray equipment for your veterinary practice. It's a really simple tool. It's really easy to use, and it's really helpful if you're trying to convince your boss or other partners that investing in X-ray equipment is going to generate some profit, some increased revenue for your practice, and how quickly it's going to pay for itself, and also obviously improve your animal care. So let's take you through the calculator. It's really simple. Start off at the top. You can change between UK and sterling and euros, UK and Ireland. You can then just pop in your practice name. I'm going to make one up here. Let's say that's in Edinburgh. The X-ray system, this is for your own reference later when you print this out. Let's say this is the Vita from BCF, very popular X-ray machine. So let's have a look next at, well, really the number of sessions that you do per week and how much you charge for those. Now when you put in your charges, include VAT, the model will remove VAT, calculate that away a little bit later on, but I'm making up figures here. You may charge completely different. This tool just gives you the opportunity to try out different numbers of sessions if you're going to increase the number of sessions you do if you buy some new equipment, or your charges. So it gives you a chance to play with it. So let's say we do general X-ray sessions a week. Let's say 3. Let's say we charge £70 per session for those. You may charge more, you may charge less. Let's say dog's hips, let's say we do 2 of those and we charge £90 per week for those, £90 per session for those. Again, these figures are just made up. You can also fill in, if you're an equine practice, your estimates there, but let's just say we're a small animal practice here. Expected lifespan of the unit, let's say it's 5 years. And there we are. It's going to generate there for you some figures. Total revenue during its lifespan, £84,500, 16,900 per year, just about 1,400 per month, and £325 per week. So what we have to do now is add in the costs of these units. So let's say the Vita costs, let's say £12,000. We're going to have a new generator. Let's say that's £5,000. We're not going to have any other items for this example, but you can add in more. So there we are, £17,000 we're going to spend. And here, if you're moving from film processor to CR or DR, you can add in what it's going to cost, or what it would have cost if you were still on film. So let's say to do all that, let's say it's £80 in film costs. Let's say it's £80 in chemical costs. So I'm making up these figures. Let's say £100 in a month in chemical disposal. These figures are including VAT, and then the cost of the new machine are excluding a VAT. If you need more details on costs of equipment, then feel free to get in touch with us here at BCF, or speak to your local account manager and they can help you out. Okay, so we've done cost of the new machine, we've done costs of if we would have been still using chemicals, so that would have cost us £13,000 over its lifespan on film equipment, the consumables. Okay, and the next stage is very simply to look at annual running costs. Let's say we're going to get it serviced every year, and let's say that's £540. There we go. And then the calculator will give you all the figures that you need. So it's going to generate £84,500 in revenue. It's going to cost for the equipment £17,000. It's going to cost £2,700 for servicing, and you're going to save £13,000 over its lifespan on chemical processing. So the total profit of the machine is just under £78,000. It's going to generate, in terms of profit, £15,500 per year, per month £1,290 odd, and just under £300 per week And also it's going to take just under a year, 11 months to pay for itself. So the rest of that time, the rest of the remainder of the 5 years is going to be profit for yourselves. So you can see how quickly it pays for itself. As I say, you can play around with figures, you can look at different costs. It's a very, very simple tool to use, really helpful for showing your bosses and providing a good business argument for if you're looking to invest in some new equipment. Makes it much more convincing for your bosses. And also don't forget to print this out so you can wave it in front of your boss's noses, and you can show the figures, show them the money that it's going to generate. And I hope you find this tool really, really helpful, and thank you very much.